These are the two pileated woodpeckers that took up residence next to us. Here's the male working on a new nest cavity, and here comes the female to check things out. And here's their powerful and distinctive call. The male spends a lot of time these days at the top of the tree, checking things out, watching things over, doing a little chopping. And here he makes his way down the tree somewhat awkwardly to where the nest cavity is. The male is responsible for watching out for predators and collecting food. Here he goes off for some more. And here is the female settling into the nest, still doing a little bit of housekeeping, getting things ready for what's coming, and watching out to see what's going on around her before settling back down on the nest.